Today we're going to be doing introductions the social distancing way by doing a Google slide. Okay, so I have the directions here listed for you. All I want you to do is to make a slide with this information on it, and then we can maybe share that with the class. But it's mostly going to be for me. We might choose to share them a little bit tomorrow for those of you who are in class. Okay, so to add a slide, you go over here to the left and you click this little down arrow, just in case you don't know how to do it. And then this is the one that you want, title and body. So we're going to add that slide there. Okay, at the top, you're going to type your name. Okay, so that's my name. And here's the information that I want to be on each slide. So you're going to make your own, and I'm just going to copy and paste that information there so that I can look at it really easily. Okay, so the first thing on the list is a picture. So you'll need to find a picture of yourself. You can do this by emailing it to yourself and then copy and pasting it, or you can do a Google search. I know most of you are on social media and things, so you'll probably have pictures come up. So we got to, through whatever mechanism you choose, find a picture of yourself and put it on here. So I have this one. I Googled myself, and this is from my webpage where I put out a book during the COVID crisis. So this is my author picture, and look at me looking all authory and respectable. Okay, so I'm just going to post that there. And I'm going to resize some of these text boxes here, which you can do if you take your text box, and you guys should know how to do this. You hover the little arrow over it, you can use it to resize things. So I'm just going to give myself enough room there to type. So I have my picture, and I have my name, so I can get rid of that one. Okay, how long have I lived in Berkeley Springs? So I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm just going to answer it. So I have lived in Berkeley Springs pretty much all my life, but I did move to Winchester last year. Okay. What do you love about English class? Okay, so I got to think about that one a little bit. I love getting the opportunity to talk about big ideas and cool literature with my students. Okay, now you're going to just answer here the next couple of questions. So what do you hate about English class? I know everybody's got their least favorite part about English class, and that's okay. I just want to know what that is. What questions or concerns do you have about the school year? What is your most prized possession? And if you had to choose to be alive in one horror movie universe, which movie would you choose and why? So for me, for this one, if I had to choose, and I'll answer these questions here, and I'll just tell you. But I want you guys to answer yours in writing and not just on video like I'm going to do. Okay. What do you hate about English class? I hate grading. I'm just going to admit it. Grading essays takes a long time, and you're going to make all those red marks and everything. But it's worthwhile to learn how to be a good writer. So do it for you guys. Okay. What questions or concerns do you have about the school year? I am concerned about making sure that all of my students understand how to use the new technological tools that we're using, and that nobody falls through the cracks and gets left behind. What is your most prized possession? Probably my gaming computer. So anybody who plays video games out there, we'll talk about cool video game stuff. And if I had to choose to be alive in one horror movie universe, which movie would you choose and why? I would choose I think I would choose a zombie apocalypse movie, because just zombies are cool. But it would be the slow zombies, though. It wouldn't be any of the fast zombies. Slow zombie movie. Um, and yeah, so that's the assignment. It's not super hard, but it provided me with an opportunity to kind of get to know each of you a little bit. So please complete that and submit.